up everyone, Seba here with Evolution Expeditions. Today in our Fix a Boat series, we're going to be working on replacing the shock cord in our pedal system. So to keep our pedals straight, there's a piece of shock cord that runs through the bottom of it to hold it upright, or else it would just be pulled backwards and then the rudder will be lopsided, causing the boat to steer you to one side or the other. So by replacing that, it'll keep them straight up always. Let's get to it. Awesome, so that took a little bit longer than expected. I noticed that the holes on the pedals for our newer boats that we have, the Prijon Touryak 500 is a little bit smaller around than the shock cord that we have and than what we use on our older boats, but I was able to widen that enough to be able to fit what we have in there, and it works great. As you saw, the rudder is fully functional. Again, thanks for watching. My name is Seba with Evolution Expeditions. Like, subscribe. Peace